We are at the Courtyard, I believe this is. We got some Schindler 400As. No inside chime. Alright, well down to B first. That's not gonna let me because it's an up call. Well, guess what, Schindler? I'm gonna pick it now. Damn, it just really doesn't want to go to B. There we go. Damn, that door's loud. And slow. Loud and slow. Go back down again. There's a relock ZNS strobe. Dying out without stepping out. They just walk up to your bed and hand feed it to you. £3,500 capacity. And there's the pool in the fitness center. It's a cool looking pool. Anyway, that's it.